In this video, I'm going to show you how to make objects transparent in Roblox Studio. So the very first thing we need to do is just go and select the object that we want to make transparent. You can then click on View in the top navigation and make sure this Properties tab is selected like so. So over on the right hand side, you need to make sure you have your object selected. So as you can see, I have this block selected like so. Now directly below this we'll have appearance. So in order to make this object transparent, we just need to go in adjust the transparency levels. So you can move this slider either to the left or to the right, and this is going to give this a transparent effect. Now you can also make this look a lot better as well by changing the material. So I'm going to change this from plastic over to glass. You can also adjust the color by clicking on the color palette, and from here we can go and select a custom color for our object. And as you can see, we now have this transparent object in Roblox Studio. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.